1986 GMC Jimmy. She is four-wheel drive. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in great condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Interior is absolutely beautiful. Driver side frame and floor pan. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Interior is in excellent condition. She got power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Got the back seat. Mileage reads a little over 82,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Start her up. All the contact information in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.